Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. I am checking out the WUBEN X3 mini flashlight. Look at this box here, first of all. Just kind of unfolds like that. That's really cool. Right on top, we got some instructions here. Check out the presentation. That's pretty sweet. All right, this flashlight's very small. Very small. Look at that little guy. It's IPX6 waterproof rating. It's got dual lights here on the front. This actually rotates around, so you can make it, have it in the front if you want, or on the side, or however. So that's pretty cool. So you can set this here on a flat surface and angle it wherever you need some light on. That's really cool. It's got one little button on top that you activate all the lights through. On the side here, it has a nice little belt clip, so that can just go right on your belt. It's super small and lightweight and doesn't really get in your way. So very convenient there. Let's check it out here. So one touch of the button is going to give you the light here. So it's level 1. It has a battery indicator, tells you how much battery you have there and what level the light is on. You press it again, it's 50 lumens. It tells you that. Oops. You hold it down for a little bit longer, that's 150, and it goes back to 1. You can double tap now for turbo. That's going to give you 700 lumens of power. It's really bright, and that's, oh, I can't see the button now. Okay, turn it off with a click, one click of the button. Now it's off. You want, it has also a red LED. Hold it down, the power button, for a little bit, red LED comes on, and you can hold it down again. And it gives you the 80 lumens on the red light, so that's cool too. So if you don't want to bother your night vision a little bit, that's nice. All right, turn that off. Bring on the other one. We can double tap here. Forgive us our supercharge, our turbo, but also if you triple tap, it goes to SOS. So we got an SO or a strobe. It also has an SOS mode on there as well. So lots of cool features there, and we've just got started on that. This is also, you can wirelessly charge it. So set it on a little wireless phone charger and it'll charge it there. Okay, so here, I'm really impressed with the brightness of that thing. It has some, for as small as it is, it puts out a significant amount of light here. Check this out. It's a little case here to charge this thing in, and just slip right down in here and lock that in, and you got yourself a little charger. It has an indicator there at what percentage your battery is charging off of this now. So that's really cool, an additional thing there. But we're not done. In here, just a regular lanyard, right? Not so fast. This is actually your USB cord. So just press these little buttons on the side and it reveals USB-C to USB-C. That's really cool. And that's not all. If you have an Apple device and you want to use that and you're feeling left out, look what happens. Out of the side comes a little lightning charger thing too. So very functional, very intuitive flashlight here. They really thought of everything on this thing. Look how small this is. So you could just put your lanyard right on this thing if you want, and it has a little snap thing, so it's not going to fall out of there. We also have a USB-C charger here in the bottom, a little port there, and we can push the button to charge that as well. A little power button. This is an IPX6 weather rating too, so basically everything but submersing it underwater for long periods of time. Really cool. I'm gonna actually take this outside in the dark, show you guys just how bright this thing is, but just check it out. It's like the size of my thumb, but a really impressive little flashlight here. All right, let's go outside and see what this thing looks like in the dark. All right, friends, well, here is 150 lumen mode in a bathroom here. So as you can see, if power goes out or something, just enough light on 150. I can bump it up to 700. And as you can see here, plenty of light for just a little bathroom or something like that. Very handy. Let's take it outside. Okay, here's my backyard, side yard here. And this is on 150 lumens, as we can see. Double it up, and there's the 700 lumens. So pretty impressive, actually. Throws out a nice little beam of light here. And here is the red light on 80 lumens right here. So as you can see, it illuminates the area back here nicely. This is probably about 40 feet or so back to the fence there. And here is my garage, as we can see. This is 700 lumens, but just kind of brightens everything up nicely. And then we can just do the, there's the, what's that? There's 50 and then 150. There we go. Let's take it outside. So whether I'm out walking or going to my mailbox or whatever, this one brightens up the area. I can clip it on my belt as well and just walk with it like that. Show you that aspect. Oh, here we go. Just clip it on my belt and then we can walk like that. And I don't even need to hold the flashlight there. Works really good. And just walk into the mailbox now. And we can see that it's pretty dark out here, but this is all the way across the street and I can see just fine. So I gotta go check the mail or whatever. So really happy with this. Let's go on to the final review here, my friends. Well, final thoughts on this WUBEN X3. Just a very handy, very cool little flashlight. This is a 3000 mega amp hours battery pack charger. The fact that this thing is just so small and so versatile and so bright is just very impressive. And even this, the USB chargers, and it has a measuring tape on the back there. So no space wasted. Just a very cool, very handy little flashlight and charging station here. Great gift idea or something like that, or if you're into camping or you just need a little light, you know, by your bed if the power goes out. This is a pretty sweet little choice. Thanks so much for watching this video, my friends. I hope it's helpful. Have a great day, and I'll see y'all next time.